Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a custom 77 Dodge van by Hotwheels Silver Series, and I think it's part of Surf's Up. So there might be a few other cars. If you look at the back, there's a Volkswagen Cadett, Volkswagen Baja Bug, casting car Surf Kit, and custom 62 Chevy pickup, which I think I already have. This does look like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Dodge van out of its box. If you don't know, the Silver Series is slots between mainline and premium, so it does give you some better details compared to mainline and misses out on some details when you compare to the premium. So since we are on the passenger side, let's just talk about it. So you've got this nice custom paint which looks really cool. You got these nice wheels which again look good, and you do get this chrome lower panels, rocker panels, I guess. They look nice too. I do like the door cut line. You see, it's not straight, it's very angular. Looks good. You got Dodge badge on here, and then you got Hot Wheels right there. Now let's move to the front. So in the front, you again got a lower bumper splitter kind of thing. Looks good. You got the blue tinted windshield. Front is kind of detailed. You've got chrome grille. You've got headlamp which are painted. I think I don't know if that's a Dodge badge. At least not the new one. Maybe something old. You do get this design on the hood again, which is continuing the custom paint job. And you can see it has got a big glass roof, multiple seats inside. It's a proper van. Now coming to the driver's side, I think it looks same as the passenger side. I don't see any differences. There is no glass in the window, so you can basically see the interior. It's finished in black. Not a lot of details, but you still see some details in there. Coming to the back, back is kind of plain compared to the front and the side. You do get this lower chrome bumper and painted tail lamps, split tailgate. No windows in the back though. And this is how it looks from the top. There are some interesting details if you zoom inside. Like you've got the seats, then you've got a few other things which I don't know what it is, but you can see that the corner. Maybe something for partying, I guess. But yeah, it looks like a nice casting. Custom vans, I think they always look cool. And this is an older Dodge van, and it looked nice. I don't know if they did a premium, but they did have an older Dodge van in the premium. I don't know if it was the same. Might have to look, but this one looks good. I like the paint job, and it does miss out on mirrors and stuff because it's based on an older casting from 2007. So, but even after that, it does look like a nice little casting. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.